Hey guys, this is Paul. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to turn this steel rod into a locking latch. I'll show that at the end of the video. Got my hammer ready with the anvil there. Fired up the forge. See, it's not hot yet. It's getting up there, so once it gets up to temperature, I'm going to put the rod in, let it get soft enough. So I'm going to get down over here with it, and I'm going to make a turn. Make this into like an eye, and then have to cut it to the right length, and then do the other side as well. So it won't be too much of a long project, but this should be nice when it's done. Yeah, it's pretty much ready now. Alright, so I got one end done. Looks pretty good. I gotta measure off and do the other end now. Let's check the second side now. Woo, that's toasty hot. Woo, wow. If you hear them getting on my vise, I'm gonna try to bend it and shape it. Woo, that's ready. Okay, so I got both sides, both ends pretty much done. Okay, second one came out better than the first one. I haven't done this in a while, but next step is I took a chain, cut it in half, and what we'll do now is I'm gonna place like this. I'm gonna weld this down to here now. So then what that's gonna happen is it's gonna allow the other piece to kind of just hang free. All right, so that's the next step. I'm gonna weld this thing down to that plate right there. Okay, I got both sides of the link welded down. Now it's time to work on the other end here. Okay, so this is the last piece. I just finished countersinking, and what's going to happen is when I drop a screw in there, the head will be flush. So all I got left to do right now is just give this a quick coat of paint and install it. Okay, I got it mounted. This is the fixed piece here to the wall. This is the door, and the other end is here. And how it works is when you close the door, this comes up, this hooks onto here, drops down, and this piece here swings down and prevents it from coming up. So the idea is this here will now keep the door open, not let it close any further, or not let it open any further. So a very easy operation, and that's it. Gonna give this guy just a quick coat here, and the project is done. All right, guys, thanks for watching.